What if you could wake up tomorrow and see money coming in, not because you worked all night, but because something you built kept working for you? Not someday when you're rich, not when your salary finally increases, but starting right now, even with what you currently earn. Because the truth is simple. Financial freedom doesn't begin with a big salary. It begins with building the right assets. Most people are trapped in a cycle that feels normal, but is quietly limiting. You wake up, go to work, earn money, and then spend it. Rent, food, transport, small expenses, they take their share, and before you know it, the money is gone. Then the next month comes, and the cycle repeats again. The real problem is not just how much you earn. The real problem is that your income depends entirely on your effort. If you stop working, the money stops too. Now imagine a different setup. Imagine putting in effort once, and that effort continues to pay you over and over again. That's what assets do. Assets are things that put money into your pocket repeatedly, not just once. And the best part is, you don't need to be rich to start building them. In this video, we're going to break down 5 powerful assets that can begin paying you while you sleep, even if your salary is small. Let's start with the first one. The first asset is digital content. We are living in a time where one piece of content can reach thousands of people. A simple video, a short clip, or even a helpful post can continue to work long after you've created it. You create it once, but it keeps generating value again and again. Think about videos on YouTube, short-form platforms, or even educational posts. When you create content that solves a problem, teaches something useful, or entertains people in a meaningful way, it doesn't just disappear after you post it. It stays. And over time, it can generate views, attention, and income. At first, it may feel slow. You might post and see little to no results. But content is a compounding asset. Each piece adds up. One video leads to another, one viewer becomes 10, 10 become 100, and eventually, your content starts working for you even when you're not actively creating. The key here is consistency, not perfection. Start with what you have, improve as you go, because once content starts gaining traction, it becomes something that pays you repeatedly. The second asset is monetizable skills. Most people think of skills as something you use to earn money once. You work, you get paid, and that's it. But certain skills can be turned into assets if you structure them properly. Skills like writing, graphic design, video editing, coding, teaching. These are not just tools for earning money once. They can be turned into systems that generate income repeatedly. For example, instead of using your skill only for one client at a time, you can package that skill into something scalable. A simple guide, a digital product, a course, or even templates. You create it once, and people can keep buying it. Now your skill is no longer tied to your time. It becomes an asset. This is where many people miss it. They stay stuck trading time for money when they could be building something that continues to pay them over and over again. Even if you start small, the goal is to move from one-time effort to repeated returns. The third asset is dividend-paying investments. This one sounds advanced, but the idea is very simple. Instead of spending all your money, you set aside a portion to acquire things that pay you back. These can be stocks, funds, or other types of investments that generate income regularly. The important thing is not the size of the money you start with. It's the consistency. Even if it's a small amount each month, it builds over time, and those investments begin to generate returns. Those returns can then be reinvested, creating a cycle of growth. This is where patience becomes powerful, because unlike quick money, this grows slowly but steadily, and over time it becomes one of the most reliable ways to earn without constant effort. The fourth asset is an automated money system. This might not sound like an asset at first, but it is one of the most important ones, because without a system, even a high income can disappear. An automated system means that the moment money comes in, it is already divided. Some goes to expenses, some to savings, some to investments, without you having to think about it every time. This removes the pressure of constant decision-making. It protects your money from impulsive spending. And it ensures that you are always building something even when you're not actively trying. Over time, this system creates consistency, and consistency is what builds real financial progress. Instead of relying on discipline every day, you rely on structure, and that structure keeps working for you in the background. The fifth asset is a small, scalable side income. This is not about overworking yourself or doing 10 different things at once. It's about building one small thing that that can grow beyond your direct effort. It could be a small online business, a digital product, a service that can be systemized, or something that solves a specific problem for people. The key word here is scalable. You don't want something that only pays when you are actively working. You want something that can grow, even when you step back. At the beginning, it might feel small, it might not bring in much. But with consistency, it grows, and as it grows, it starts to become a source of income that doesn't rely entirely on your time. Now here's something important you need to understand. These assets don't pay immediately. And that's where most people quit. They try once, they don't see results, and they stop. But assets are not about quick results. They are about long-term building. You create, you invest, you structure, and then you give it time. Think of it like planting a seed. You don't expect a tree the next day. But if you keep watering it, protecting it, and giving it time, it grows. And when it grows, it produces more than what you put in. That's how assets work. This is also where your mindset needs to shift. Most people are trained to think short-term. Spend now, enjoy now, solve now. But building assets requires long-term thinking. Instead of asking, what can I spend this money on? You start asking, what can I build with this money? Instead of saying, my salary is too small, you start saying, how can I use what I have to create something that grows? That shift alone changes everything, because now you're not just earning, you're building. And once you start building, something powerful happens. You begin to create options. You're no longer completely dependent on your job. You're no longer stuck in a cycle where everything resets every month. You start to see progress that carries forward, and slowly your money starts working. Not all at once, not overnight, but gradually. A video earns a little, a product sells occasionally, an investment pays something small, a system keeps things consistent. Individually, they may seem small, but together, they become powerful. That's how financial freedom is built. Not in one big move, but in small, consistent steps that most people ignore. So here's what you should do next. Don't try to build all 5 assets at once. That's where overwhelm starts. Pick one, start with the one that fits your current situation. If you have time, start with content. If you have a skill, turn it into something repeatable. If you have a little money, start investing. If you struggle with control, build a system first. Start small, but start intentionally. Then, stay consistent. Because consistency is what turns effort into assets. And assets are what turn effort into freedom. You don't need a big salary to start building wealth. You need the right assets. And the best time to start is now.